We back. You know what day it is, man. About to get that tint. Bro, might do a little vlog with the guys too. Watch the car. Feel me? Yeah, we about to have a good day. Look like it's about to rain though. Might get, oh yeah, and we going to a car meet too, so we're gonna vlog that shit too. Maybe later on. Let me get y'all boy a cold start.
A few moments later.
Alright, we back, man. About on the way to get that tent right now. Feel me? Later on we might go to a car meet. Feel me? See what the guys on. About to get 35, 20 on. Feel me? Front two. Might give y'all a couple pulls too. But yeah, man, we're on the way to the tent shop himself. Feel me? I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get there. Bad about to get that shit tinted, boy. Look at that shit. With the carbon. Yeah, you see that carbon.
Kick.
This shit look good. Shit look too good, bro. Yeah, man, shout out to my boy, man. Get y'all right. Cut y'all back on. Oh shit, I got the flash on. Hell yeah. Yeah, we here. We got them shits up, man. Got them shits up. Oh shit. Little Jeep thing right here. Y'all know about this one. I told y'all about that one. Feel me? Hell yeah. We missing a couple people.
Well, duh.
Oh, they right here. Yeah, man, so I know he gonna do something. I know he gonna do something. Nope.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
That shit sound good. That shit sounding crazy. That shit sounding God, boy. Yeah. Little Beamer. I get me a fucking Beamer, nigga. Bro, this the shit I get on God. That shit look hard. What the fuck? That shit hard. Oh.
Yeah.
What y'all know about that right there? What y'all know about this right here? Look at the paint. Look at the paint on this shit. What the fuck, nigga? Hey, this bit raw, boy. Oh my God. I'll kill me a nigga for that shit. This shit right here. This shit nigga hard.
It might not beat you off it, but it beat you in the long run.
Bro.
Hey, look.
3 weeks later.
We back. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie. I forgot to record the shit when we left. You feel me? But we about to go to another car meet. You feel me? Bro. So I'm gonna hit y'all, feel me, back when we get there. Y'all a little pull real quick. And I think it's at the same location too, so yeah. Oh yeah, I got something for you. I'm gonna pull the fuse out so I can be sliding or some shit.
Cap.
I might do a burner, I don't know. I'm still thinking, but I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there. Yeah, I was like, bro, it's over, bro. That shit over. Where? Yeah, we about to go to this meet. Waiting on some more people. I don't know who the fuck shit them two is. This shit look bogus. So this shit right there. I see y'all know what this is right there. Got a little shit right there. Bro, another charger. Then my board shit right here. Feel me? This shit tuned right here. I ain't gonna lie. This shit right here got my shit on, bro. Shit quit though. But yeah, we chilling. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when we start heading out. About to check out some cars. I ain't gonna lie, all these shits weak as fuck. Now this shit kinda hard. You feel me? They got hella G37s out here though. Baby. Yeah. Look at her. Yeah, we got them shits out. Bro, I'm out to race this Camaro. Even though I'm out to lose, bro, it's tuned, bro. I'm gonna let y'all know, bro. It's tuned, bro. And I'm already. Hey, bruh. So what we doing? Look at her eyes. What the fuck she doing? But hey, we doing a. How we gonna do this, bro? It's like hella car. Wait, where you going?
Oh shit.
You heard?
Oh shit.
What that is? Where you going? You going to downtown?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just slide with you, bro.
You said what?
I'm gonna just slide with you. Hey! 40! 40! That shit is popping. Look at the vet. Look at the vet. Look at the vet. Look at the vet. Look at that shit. God damn. Shit. Look at her eyes. Yeah, man, I'm gonna just end the video off right here, bro. Pick y'all back up whenever it pop off. Deuces.